Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever asked Claude or any other LLM something like what is the status of order 12345 or show me all the items in my shopping cart? The problem is Claude does not know anything about your application data. It only knows what it is learned during training. It cannot directly access your order service or any other database or internal APIs. So if you ask the status of my order, Cloud simply has no way to fetch the information on its own. So this is where the model context protocol comes into picture. Think of MCP as a bridge between AI model and your application. In this example, I'm going to build an order service using Spring Boot and expose it as an MCP server. Now, instead of guessing, Cloud can discover the tools exposed by MCP server, call the appropriate tool, fetch the order details from the service, and generate an accurate response. So the flow becomes very simple. As you can see on the screen, we have the user. He prompts the cloud. Cloud checks into the MCP server. MCP server further connects to Spring Boot order service, which will get the response back to the cloud. And finally, the response is sent back to the user. This allows AI model to securely interact with your application's API, databases, and business logic without needing to know anything beforehand. In this video, we'll build the entire setup from scratch using Spring AI, create MCP server for an order service, and finally connect it with Cloud Desktop so that you can see the complete flow in action. So let's get started.